want you to close your eyes, and I'll close my eyes as well, and we're gonna imagine the year 2050. And I wanna ask you, what you would like to see in 2050 and what do you fear most?
I have two pictures of 2050, and one I don't like. I don't like to think of it, but I sometimes do. And that's what happens if we go on destroying nature. But the vision I like to think of, all the roots and shoots groups who are working to make the world better. Soldiers laying down their guns, war ending, roots and shoots taking over decision-making positions when we can truly live in harmony with nature. And that's the vision that will happen if we all think every single day about what we do and make wise choices. The world will change.